Inside the courtroom.
Without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Understand those rights and the options they present? And do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle at the airport on June 3rd?
Actually, I was behind the wheel. But
Okay.
like I got me and my brother went to be my mom.
Hold on a minute. Okay. This guy?
Yep, he'll be up shortly.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I appreciate the heads up. Yeah, I appreciate the heads up. All right, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Me and my brother, I went to get my guy, my work. She worked for Guilty. She was black.
Okay.
He ran the bathroom.
Okay. Yeah.
So I just sat in the driver's seat so it didn't look like the car was just unoccupied.
Yeah. So you were avoiding the parking violation problem with an unattended vehicle, and you popped. Why don't you talk to one of our court-appointed attorneys and see if they think you've got any other options on this? This is a 90-day misdemeanor. It's $500 fines plus court costs.
I will. I got to report to my parole officer. I just came home. I just came home March.
Right.
I'm just trying to hurry if I go report to her. So see if what's going on.
Angela.
Second. Yes, Judge.
Good morning. Help me out because you're on Zoom and Jim's not.
Yes, Judge.
Allow unlicensed driver to operate.
Yes.
Do you think a factual basis where somebody would be operating like we talk about with a drinking and driving charge, like behind the wheel of a car? You think that covered by an allow unlicensed driver to operate if the guy was in the driver's seat?
Where was the
car
vehicle?
not moving?
Where was the vehicle? Was it
Parked
in
on the side of the road in the airport.
I mean, it's in a
I
roadway.
haven't looked at that statute in so long.
Yeah, I mean, is the vehicle on?
Is the car running?
Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah, I think then that's,
I think it's operating.
I think so. would
Okay,
agree.
thanks. All right, I'll accept your plea. So you said you just got home. How long were you in and when did you get out? When did you get out?
First,
March. What do you got going on?
currently working with them. You're gonna go to the home food if you want to demolition work.
Okay.
Sometimes we're getting paid under the.
Yeah, so you're not full-time. Yeah. You're living down in Detroit?
Yeah.
I got a Monte Vista. That's a good address. Got a driver's license?
I have license. I have like these one.
Yeah, you don't have the right to drive a car though. What's the plan there?
Phone is being paid originally in the city before I went to prison and then the class, they said I would got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Before you leave my building, I want you
I might give a note a little bit.
with the license.
I have one Dearborn and West Bloomfield.
Okay, so he might have to do petty class.
Yeah,
He has some straight.
you could work with him there. Yeah, yeah.
Sure, like they all see from the case that I had in prison.
Do you owe Detroit money though?
Yeah, it just seems
So
so.
if Detroit money and their traffic misdemeanors, set court dates for them. Set court dates for them, and then we will get you on track for trial dates. If officers do not appear or do not remember, then that's the potential of some that we could get dismissed. And then that would help you save some money. It might be a little bit of time, but it would save you.
Yeah. So you want to work with the court appointed attorneys down there,
Yes.
36.
Set the court dates, set up both of mine and set the court dates in Detroit, and then what we can do is we will put you on track to request that the officers appear. If they happen prior to you going to prison, if you already done 3 years of prison.
It's been a while. And they may not be working for Detroit anymore after 4 years. Yeah.
Receiving dismissal, so it might take 10 tickets down, 4 tickets, but that saves several $1,000. Okay.
Thank you. All right. All right. So before you get out of this building, I want you to ask at the front counter, ask to talk to Mr. Taylor and tell him you're looking for a job. I can guarantee he's got some places, most of them are locally here, but if you got the ability to get out here, he can probably find you a job quick, like full-time.
Well, I have a way to get out.
Okay, you got reliable.
I remember it was.
Okay, yeah, okay, all right. All right, so back to business. I'll accept your plea. Is there anything else you want me to know before I sentence you? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I believe your story, so I'm gonna give you a break. I'm not gonna charge you any money. I'm gonna put you on probation for 12 months and tell you, do not break the law in 12 months. Because I'm assuming you've learned your lesson, you're out, you've turned over a new leaf, you're gonna start walking the straight and narrow. If you screw up and you commit violations in the next 12 months, I'm going to find out about it, and now I can put you in jail for 93 days on the violation. Okay? All right. So go talk to Mr. Taylor. He's got a lot of resources available to him downstairs at the counter. He's the best dressed guy in the building. Big, bald, black guy. He'll have a really nice suit on. You can't miss it.
I appreciate
And he's got a lot of resources, might be able to help you. I wondered why she had that look on her face. No, that's all right. Yeah, I know. She just gave me a heads up. But yeah, you should have told me. Yeah. So I can, instead of work days, I can give you community service charity hours. So you can do that around your pregnancy. I mean, you could do that answering the phone someplace. Okay?
To 30 hours, Doug?
Yeah. If I give you until October 1, plenty of time to get 30 hours done?
Yeah.
And it's got to be a nonprofit charity registered with the IRS. We've got a list downstairs that's pre-approved. If you want to ask for that list before you get out of the building, just go to the front counter. If you want to find someplace on your own, that's fine. If you want us to approve it before you actually spend the time with them, we can do that too. All right? What did I say? By October? All right. Good luck with the baby.
Just talk to the girl that you speak to. Yeah, she can help you with it.
Inside the courtroom.